Oh no, it's already 7:30 a.m. Ahmed, have you seen Ali's left shoe?
I'm looking for it. Did you check under the sofa?
I checked everywhere. This is a disaster. His first day cannot start like this.
Mommy, I don't want to go. My tummy hurts.
Oh, sweetie, your tummy hurts because you are nervous.
It's called butterflies in your stomach. Mommy is nervous too.
Found it. It was inside the cereal box. Don't ask me how.
Alhamdulillah! Okay, everyone, deep breaths. We can do this. Ali, look at your new backpack. It has your favorite astronauts on it.
Will you stay with me at school?
I can't stay in the classroom, but I will be right here in my heart, and I'll be waiting at the gate when the second school ends.
And remember what we talked about? Seeking knowledge is a beautiful journey. You are going to learn so many cool things.
I am so proud of you. You are growing up so fast. It feels like yesterday you were just a baby.
Here we are, West Side Elementary School. Look at all the colorful flags.
Stay strong, Sara. Don't cry in front of him. You have to be brave for him.
Good morning. You must be Ali. I'm Mrs. Anna, your teacher.
Hello, Mrs. Anna. He's a bit shy today. It's his very first time away from home.
That's perfectly normal. We have a special reading corner and lots of Legos waiting for you, Ali. Would you like to see?
Legos?
Yes, huge boxes of them.
Go ahead, Ali. Give Mommy a big hug.
Bye, Mommy. Bye, Daddy.
Goodbye, my brave boy. May Allah protect you and increase your knowledge. Leaving your child at school for the first time is heart-wrenching.
Let's learn the words we use today.
Disaster, something that goes very wrong. Nervous, feeling worried or afraid. Butterflies in your stomach, a nervous feeling in your tummy. Heart-wrenching, something that causes great sadness. Backpack, a bag you carry on your back. Shy, being nervous around new people. Proud, feeling deep satisfaction in someone's achievement. Knowledge, information and skills gained through experience. Normal, something that is expected or ordinary.
Brave, showing courage.
Now, let's prepare a healthy lunch for my brave boy.
What are you packing today, Sara?
I am making a chicken sandwich and adding some fresh grapes.
Don't forget the dates. The Prophet Walid loved dates, and they give instant energy.
Good idea! I will put 2 dates in this small container.
Are you giving him water or juice?
Pure water is better. Staying hydrated helps him focus in class. In Islam, we are taught that our body is an amana, so we must feed it healthy food.
I'll put a small I love you note inside his bag too.
That's so sweet. It will make him feel secure when he opens his lunch.
Ali, look at the big yellow school bus. Can you see the stop sign?
Yes, Mommy. It's so big.
Before we enter, let's recite the dua for knowledge.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Knowledge is a light, Ali. Every word you learn today is a blessing.
And remember to be kind to your classmates. A smile is a sadaqah.
If you see someone sitting alone, go and say hello.
I will, Mommy. I will share my Legos too.
That is the spirit. Sharing is caring.
Look, the bell is ringing. It's time to go inside.
Wait, one last check. Do you have your water bottle? Yes?
I'm ready. Bismillah.
Go ahead, my heart. Allah is with you.
Let's learn 10 more sentences that every parent and student should know.
Make sure to zip up your jacket. It's chilly outside. Don't forget to sanitize your hands before eating. Always raise your hand if you have a question in class. Be respectful to your teachers and elders. Sharing your lunch is a very kind gesture. Can you help me find my classroom? I am looking forward to recess.
Please line up quietly behind your teacher.
Learning something new every day is a blessing. I had a wonderful time at school today. Do you teach your children a specific prayer dua before they start their day? Share it in the comments to inspire others.